If you've been on the internet lately, you've probably seen the pitch. Buy this AI tool, press a button, and watch a fully formed business print passive income while you sleep. But in reality, that passive income machine tends to short circuit. Grounded reality looks very different. These tools require intense operational oversight, shifting your daily focus from building products to managing the software that builds them. Which brings up a serious question before you spend a dime. Are these tools plug-and-play revenue generators, or do they simply move your required skill set from creator to manager? This matrix compares the zero-effort online promise versus operational reality across 3 pillars. First, the creation stack, shifting from instant apps to prompt management. Next, the content stack, where infinite clones demand authenticity repair. Finally, the operational stack, requiring rigorous system architecture. Artificial intelligence will not autonomously build a company for you. It is a strict force multiplier, and it only works if you are willing to manage it like a capable but highly flawed employee. Let's start with the creation stack. We type at about 50 words per minute, but we speak at 250. We speed up the workflow by using voice transcription tools like Whisper to dictate ideas into logical chatbots like ChatGPT or Claude. Then we feed those instructions into a no-code builder like Lovable. The immediate benefit is staggering. Without writing a single line of code, you can dictate your business idea and watch a functional version 1 of your software assemble itself in minutes. But that speed creates the first draft illusion. The instant initial output obscures the tedious manual work required to take that glitchy first draft and make it a usable app. This quadrant chart maps the real trade-offs. We measure learning curve and effort on the bottom axis and business impact on the side. Tools like Lovable and chatbots plot very high on business impact, but equally high on effort. You have to painstakingly iterate and fix errors. If you don't give the AI the exact context, it builds the wrong architecture. You will spend hours reprompting the system just to fix broken features. And functionality is only half the battle. If a site looks obviously AI-generated, users won't take it seriously. To fix that, builders grab pre-built UI components from sites like 21st.dev and inject them into their code. Injecting random visual elements requires baseline design knowledge. Without a trained eye, you end up with a disjointed Frankenstein-style mess that scares away customers. Ultimately, the creation stack trades high-skill technical coding hours for tedious editorial oversight hours. Moving to marketing, the content stack relies heavily on cloning. Platforms like HeyGen and 11 Labs let you record a short video, read a script, and generate a complete digital replica of your face and voice. The operational benefit is massive. You can type out a script and generate infinite video content for social media without setting up a camera. The cost is in the details. Audiences are incredibly sensitive to human micro-expressions. Over-relying on synthetic clones for your core messaging damages the trust your brand needs to survive. Looking back at our chart, we plot AI video clones high on the impact scale, but we have to draw a hard boundary around them for trust degradation. Push too far, and the strategy backfires. The same rules apply to visual branding. You can use Google's Gemini, combined with its image generation models, to instantly spit out hundreds of logo ideas or brand concepts at zero cost. But these tools output conceptual ideas, not finalized, vector-ready business assets. The images often have strange artifacts and rarely meet professional printing standards. Where they do excel is in rapidly visualizing marketing ideas. You could mock up your brand's logo onto a t-shirt worn by a high-profile figure like Elon Musk and test that concept as meme advertising. When it's time to build the real brand identity, those AI-generated mock-ups serve as highly specific briefs. You hand them off to a human professional, like a Fiverr designer, who applies the actual polish and execution. In the content and brand stack, AI successfully replaces the terror of the blank page, but the final result still requires a professional human finisher. And now we reach the operational stack. This starts with orchestrators like N8N, an open-source tool designed to link all these disparate AI apps together into a single workflow. The appeal here is the fully automated pipeline. You can set it to automatically read a blog post, generate a video, and publish it to social accounts without you touching the keyboard. However, while they are marketed under the friendly umbrella of AI, these orchestrators require technical system architecture skills to set up, and if you don't host them yourself, you're paying monthly fees for server space. For daily administration, the tools are simpler but carry different risks. Apps like Granola take over meeting transcription, while Notebook LM acts as an internal company database where you upload all your PDFs and slides. This introduces the privacy paradox. A tool like Granola processes meeting audio locally on your computer, meaning your sensitive conversations stay in your control. But to get the results from a tool like Notebook LM, you have to upload your entire proprietary company history to Google's cloud servers. The companies running these models prioritize their own data collection over your privacy. On our final chart, this plots as a direct trade-off. The operational stack forces a constant choice between administrative convenience and your own data sovereignty. Utilizing operational AI requires a rigorous internal audit. You have to decide exactly how much privacy you are willing to trade for daily convenience. The common thread across all 9 of these tools is simple. None of them provide you with a business strategy. They only execute modular, highly specific tasks. This flowchart starts with the most important question. What is your primary constraint, time or budget? If budget is your bottleneck, follow the path to embrace iteration and refine prompts all day. If time is your constraint, bypass generation tools entirely and hire freelancers. Anyone looking for a completely hands-off, automated passive income stream must avoid this software. The technology simply isn't there yet. The practical approach is to only adopt a tool to solve a specific, identified bottleneck in your current workflow. Using AI for the novelty of it only creates more administrative work. To actually succeed with these tools, you have to focus on the quality of the output and respect the intense human input it demands.